In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this CNC sign using just a piece of plywood and some 2x4s. So I want to show you how I can take an image or a texture off the internet, download it, and import it into a program called Inkscape. It's very powerful, especially once you start to figure out what all it can do. So I'm importing the image that I got online, and I'm going to use you click path and then trace bitmap, which basically you're taking an image and you're turning it into a vector file or an SVG, and then exit out of that. Then you'll click and drag and you can see the image that you got from it. And if you follow along with the video, you'll see how realistic this technique can look if you follow along with me.
Okay, Google, turn off cutter.
I'm doing a faux whitewash, old barn wood kind of look in the background here. And my trick is actually to spray paint that black first. So I'm going to go ahead and take all that masking off. So it's a good idea to check all the angles when you're spraying them like this, because you can always miss the edges.
I swear, I break these on every single project that I do. Some plugs, grease plugs, ear plugs, hole plugs. Maybe Wow, that's hot on my hand. What you call friction there.